हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द नर्स लाइफ एकेडमी। एक बार आपका फिर से यूट्यूब चैनल के अंदर स्वागत है। आज फ्रेंड्स अपन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं डीएसएसएसपी नर्सिंग ऑफिसर के प्रीवियस एग्जाम के पेपर के बारे में। जो कंपटीशन एग्जाम डीएसएसपी नर्सिंग ऑफिसर एग्जाम कंपटीशन के अंदर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो पिछली बार जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था 2019 के अंदर, उस एग्ज़ाम के अंदर ये पूछे गए थे और ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, the vitamin that help in blood clotting is. Question number first, the option A vitamin C, option B vitamin D, option C vitamin E, and option D vitamin K. So the right answer is option D, vitamin K. Vitamin K is the help in the blood clotting. Question number 2, AIDS is caused by A. Option A bacteria, option B protozoa, option C helminths, option D virus. So the right answer is option D, virus. तो एड्स होने का जो कारण होता है वो होता है वायरस। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, any disturbances that block the transmissions of nerve impulse from SNA node downward is known as. Option A heart block, option B heart attack, option C nerve block, option D cardiac arrhythmia. So the right answer is option A, heart block. हार्ट ब्लॉक के अंदर द डिस्टर्बेंस इन द ब्लॉक ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ नर्व इम्पल्स, इसके अंदर ब्लॉकेज हो जाता है इम्पल्स के अंदर। क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ, ग्रेजुअल डिसअपियरेंस ऑफ कंडीशनर रेस्पॉन्ड टू स्टिमुलाई इज रेफर्ड एज. ऑप्शन ए नेगेटिव कंडीशनिंग, ऑप्शन बी एक्सटिंक्शन, ऑप्शन सी डिले कंडीशनिंग, एंड ऑप्शन डी एलिमिनेशन. So the right answer is option A, negative conditioning. So the right answer is option A. Question number 5, blood and debris discharged from the uterus after delivery is termed as. Option A septic shock, option B lochia, option C pyuria, and option D hematuria. So the right answer is option B, lochia. After the delivery, the discharge from the uterus is known as the lochia. Very important question. Question number 6. Next question. Premature separation of placenta from the uterine wall before delivery is. Option A abruptia placenta, option B placenta previa, option C fetal distress, and option D cord prolapse. So the right answer is option A, placenta abruptia. Premature separation of placenta before delivery is known as the abruptia placenta. Question number 7, an unintentional touching of patient's body without consent is termed as. Option A negligence, option B assault, option C battery, option D malpractice. So the right answer is option C, battery. Battery means unintentionally touching of patient's body without consent is known as the battery. Question number 8, the voltage needed to produce seizures while giving ECT. Option A 120 to 220 voltage, option B 40 to 70 volts, option C 150 to 180 volts, option D 20 to 150 volts. So the right answer is option B, 40 to 70 voltage are the needed for the producing seizure during the electroconvulsion therapy. Question number 9, the recording of conversation between the nurse and patient in a psychiatric setup is termed as? Option A, therapeutic communication. Option B, interview technique. Option C, process recording. And option D is the panel discussion. So the right answer is option A, therapeutic communication. The conversion between nurse and patient in the psychiatric setup is the term as the therapeutic communication. Next question. BMI greater than 10 is considered as? Option A, overweight. Option B, bulimia. Option C, obese. Option D, stout. So the right answer is option B, bulimia. So the right answer is option B, bulimia. Next question. Which of the following is used as an antidote for organophosphate? Option A, atropine. Option B, adrenaline. Option C, Avil. And option D, amnodor. So the right answer is option A, atropine. Atropine is the antidote of organophosphate. Question number 12. Which among the following is a indication of portal hypertension? Option A, asterixis. Option B, hematemesis. Option C, elevated blood pressure. And option D, confusion. So the right answer is option B, hematemesis. Hematemesis means the blood present in the vomiting. It indicated portal hypertension. Question number 13. Buck's extension traction use is? Option A, apply as cervical head halter. Option B, skin traction to the lower leg. Option C, skeletal traction to the lower leg. Option D, tongue applied to the head. So the right answer is option B, skin traction to the lower leg. Use of the Buck's extension traction. Next question. Which of the following is used for assessing the pain in children? Option A, brief pain inventory. Option B, numerical rating scale. Option C, visual analog scale. And option D, Wong-Baker face pain rating scale. So the right answer is option C, visual analog scale is the right answer. Next question. Parkinson disease is caused by? Option A, hereditary factor. Option B, death of brain cells due to old age. Option C, impairment of dopamine producing cell in the brain. Option D, demyelination of the nerve cells. So the right answer is option C, impairment of dopamine producing cell in the brain. Right answer is option C. Question number 16. The most abundant gaseous element in the atmosphere is? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, fluorine. Option C, hydrogen. And option D, chlorine. So the right answer is option A, nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas present in the atmosphere. Next question. IQ may be defined as? ऑप्शन ए MA/CA यानी कि मेंटल एज अपॉन क्रॉनिकल एज इंटू 100. ऑप्शन बी क्रॉनिकल एज अपॉन मेंटल एज इंटू 100. ऑप्शन सी थर्ड मेंटल एज अपॉन 100 इंटू क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज. ऑप्शन डी मेंटल एज अपॉन क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज इंटू 100. So the right answer is question option A, mental age upon chronological age into 100. This is the formula of the IQ. Next question, transforming incoming information into a usable form is the stage of memory is called. ऑप्शन ए रिट्राइवल, ऑप्शन बी इनकोडिंग, ऑप्शन सी स्टोरेज एंड ऑप्शन डी फोर्थ और ऑप्शन है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी स्टोरेज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एट द टॉप ऑफ मास्लो हायरार्की ऑफ नीड आर द. ऑप्शन ए love and belonging. Option 2 esteem and self esteem. Option C self actualization and option D safety and security. So the right answer is option C self actualization is the top of the Maslow hierarchy theory. Question number 20. A competitive diver approaches the end of the board with rapidly beating heart and a dry mouth is a effect of. Option A adrenaline, option B amylase, option C cortisol, option D endorphins. So the right answer is option A adrenaline. Next question, which of the following people have the largest percentage of water in their body? Option A fat man, option B lean man, option C lean woman and option D fat woman. So the right answer is option B lean man. The lean man is the highest percentage of water in their body. Next question, a complete set of chromosomes containing all the genetic information of the individual is called. So the option A their genome, option B their genotype, option C their autosome, option D their sequence. So the right answer is option A their genome. Their genome is contain the genetic information of any individual. Next question, brownish black pigmented area in the midline of the abdomen of a pregnant woman extending from xiphoid sternum to the pubic symphysis. Option A striae gravidanum, option B closma gravidanum, option C linea alba, option D linea nigra. So the right answer is option D. The right answer is option D. The right answer is option D. Linea nigra. Next question, the acrosome of sperm contain. Option A mitochondria, option B lysosomal enzyme, option C nuclear material and option D all of them. So the right answer is Option B, lysosomal enzyme. Lysosomal enzyme. These contain the acrosome of the sperm. Because of nuclear material and mitochondria are present in the neck and body of the sperm. Next question. What is the first line of defense in immune response? Option A, anatomical, mechanical and chemical barrier. Option B, B and T lymphocyte. Option C, antibodies. And option D is the blood cells. So the right answer is the option A, anatomical and the mechanical and the chemical barrier of the body. Means the first line defense of the body is the skin. He made the anatomical and mechanical and the chemical barrier of the body. Next question. Creatinine is a metabolic waste product excreted in urine and derived from option A, liver, option B, muscles, option C, bone, and option D, skin. So the right answer is option B, muscles. Creatinine is the waste product of the muscles. Next question. The group of modified cells lining adjacent to the afferent and efferent arteriole is the called. Option A, the renal capsules. Option B, the juxtaglomerular apparatus. Option C, the pretubular network. And option D is the loop of Henle, यानी कि Henle loop. Though the right answer is option B, the juxtamedullary apparatus. Next question. The mucosa of the large intestine produce the secretion. Option A, alkaline. Option B, acidic. Option C, neutral. Option D, both alkaline and acidic. So the right answer is option A, alkaline medium. Alkaline fluid is the secreted mucus secreted by the large intestine mucosa. Next question. In the body, the liver is described as option A, the heaviest and largest organ. Option B, the heaviest and second largest organ. Option C, the largest and second heaviest organ. And the option D, the second largest organ. So the right answer is the option B. It is the heaviest and the second largest organ, because the first largest organ is the skin. So the right answer is option B. It is the heaviest and the second largest organ. Next question. Intrinsic factor is produced by the which cell with the stomach? Option A, mucous cell. Option B, chip cell. Option C, enteroendocrine cells. Option D, parietal cells. So the right answer is the option D, parietal cell. Parietal cell the secrete the intrinsic factor in the stomach. Thank you.